Hi, I'm Professor Laura. If you're experiencing tinnitus or ringing in the ears, you've likely observed its fluctuating nature and how it manifests uniquely for each individual. Tinnitus can present as various sounds, beeps, tones, or noises, with differing pitches, volumes, and spatial locations within the head or ears. While many people tolerate tinnitus without much bother, for others it becomes a persistent stressor that disrupts concentration, sleep, and relaxation. Understanding that everyone's experience is different, we aim to tailor our approach to your specific needs and how tinnitus affects your daily life. Complete our survey, tailored specifically for tinnitus sufferers like you. Following completion, we will reach out to guide you in finding personalized strategies for tinnitus relief. Take the first step towards relief by completing our tinnitus assessment on tinnitus.com today, and we will get in touch with you. Together, let's find a solution that works best for you.